user, and while using TikTok, you might walk across several login problems. If you are trying to log into your TikTok and you are failing, then there are some things you can try out. The first thing to do is go ahead and check your internet connection. Go to settings on your phone and tap it on. Go to connections and make sure to turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you're connected to your internet, you can tap open TikTok application and refresh the page once, and you'll be able to log into your account. If that still does not fix your issue, go to your Play Store or your App Store and see if there is any update available for your TikTok. Search for TikTok in the search box. From the search result, tap on TikTok. If any updates are available for your TikTok, then make sure to update it to its latest version. Once you update your application to its latest version, go back to TikTok and log into your account. Next thing to do in order to solve the error is to go to your settings on your phone, and under settings, scroll all the way down until you find apps. Tap on apps, and from the list of the applications installed on your device, tap on TikTok as soon as you find it. Now, try force stopping your application by tapping on the force stop button at the bottom right. From the pop-up, select OK. Now, from the same page, go to storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom right, and tap on clear data from the bottom left, and from the pop-up, select OK. Now, go back to your TikTok application from your app drawer, tap it on. From the home screen, tap on the Me button at the bottom right and sign into your account. Tap on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, tap Log In, and you can log into your TikTok by using your phone, email, username option, or choose from your social networking sites from the bottom of the screen. Sometimes, if you're using an incorrect login password or username, then you won't be able to log into your account.